How to schedule messages on Facebook Messenger. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll be covering the topic that says how to schedule messages on Facebook Messenger. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, to tell you upfrontly, Messenger does not have a direct scheduling feature for the personal account. But here you can schedule messages by using Meta Business Suite, but it's only for the business account. But for personal chats, you can use reminders, third party apps, which is not recommended, or other workarounds to stimulate scheduled messages. So here are some workaround methods that you can try for personal accounts. So first is draft message. So here what you can do is just go to the chat and type your message in Messenger and leave it in the text box until it's ready to send. And with that, second is to use the phone reminders. So here what you can do is simply set the phone reminders or the alarm to send your message manually. And that's it. With this, I hope this clear things up for you, and with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.